Alright, today we got a Craftsman LT3000 lawn tractor. This one has a busted deck belt, which I'll be fixing momentarily. I just wanted to show you what a LT3000 looked like from Craftsman. This one's seen some better days. Don't know why this was added, but I'm sure it didn't come stock that way. It's got a 20 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine. And if you're interested, here's the pertinent information for belts and filters and stuff like that. Snow blade, snow blower, mulch kit, nice. Alright. Model number of this one right here. Looks like we got a date of manufacture of 06. If I'm reading this right. March 4th, 2006. Six-speed transmission. This one is not hydrostatic. Let's fire this up. Let me set the parking brake. Alright, I can tell you right now that this one is running, this engine is running one of those aftermarket carburetors that I had to drill out the jet to keep it from surging. A little bit of a pain in the butt, but it's what was needed to get this thing running without spending too much money. So there it is, the Craftsman LT3000 from 2006.